Hey, what's up, guys? So today I only did one stock, AVYA. It's a tough day today. Not many stocks that are good movers, but AVYA, when I played it, daily level looks something like this. So gapped up, but it's sort of floating here. So usually, like I said, usually once it fill the gap, go back to here or maybe to here, 1675. Uh, so it's sort of past this level already. So these are all meaningless level. I think the most meaningful level is probably down here, 1677. If it were to go up, it would be like 1808. Anyway, so that's how it looks like on a daily level. 15-minute when I played it was sort of hit its peak here, and then it was about to form a new 15-minute low. On the 5-minute, this is what it looks like. So my issue with this stock is, if you look at the 1-minute chart here, I went short. Zoom in. So I went short, but it's sitting right at this level, this blue SMA. So it popped on me, and then I stopped out. I went short again, added to my position, and then I got stopped out. So at this point, I was down like maybe $200, $300. No, $600. So at this point, I was down like $600. Okay. And then let's see here. So short, stopped out, short, stopped out. I went short again. All of a sudden, it popped up on me, and then I stopped out. So overall, I'm down 600. But then I saw this. And then the reason why I keep going short, this was a mistake in the initial, going in. This is right at this SMA level. It was fear of missing out. I should have waited for it to show signs of crossing or whatnot, because usually when it goes down to this level, most stocks are not that weak that it would just go right through it. It would probably test it and come back up. This is exactly what happened. I probably should have shorted up here and waited, be more patient. I wasn't patient, paid the price here. And then here I saw that it wasn't going to make a new high. So I went short, and then it broke through these levels. So I covered on the way up. Okay, and then I saw this punch back through. This is a really quick spike, actually. It spiked and then it went back down. And then I saw that it wasn't really. So at this point, I made back up my losses. And then I was pretty much just down $100. And then I saw it spiked, couldn't do it, held this level, came back to the EMA. So I went short here because I saw it was still kind of weak. I was thinking for a follow through play. I went short, but told myself if it pops above the EMA, I would get out. So it did, and then I got out. So here now, I lost another $80. So at this point, I was minus 180. But then it didn't really punch through. It just kind of peeked its head through the EMA, and then it started to drop again. So then I went back in heavy, short. I think this is like 2,000 shares. And then it really gave a nice drop. So 1742. Yeah, 42 to 34, 33, 28, all the way down here. So I basically start to cover, and then on the way back up, I covered the remainder. But I took most of my position out down here. So that was a nice 20-cent drop. So basically, I ended the day with $332.50 off of 29 tickets. But I did take huge volumes on this because the average true range for this stock is not that high, so it doesn't really move a lot. So this stock AVYA, the average true range is 46 cents. Usually, take stocks that are 50 cents or above. So this doesn't really move that much. So I took bigger sizes. I think these were initially it was 500 shares, and then 2,000, and then 6,000 shares on the first drop, and then 2,000 later on. I only took like 2,000 or 1,000 on the first one here, 952. But then when I saw that it wasn't going to go up, I went heavier on that. So yeah, so I'm closing my day. It's kind of hard to trade today. I don't see any good stocks for me to play my scanner. Didn't pick up any good stocks. So I'm gonna call it a day before I lose money. I'm just trying to make back up what I've lost on Friday. So I'll stop here. Thanks for watching.